you doing? What are you trying to do? Busy girl. Yeah. Oh, where are you going to take that pumpkin? Oh, it must be heavy. Must be heavy. Okay. Yeah, you're a busy girl. How many you got in there? 3 Cokes. Alright. Daryl coming out of the cat door from the cat litter. Well, it's got a DVD going, but we're ready for dinner.
Cow.
Coke? Is that what that is?
Cow.
Hi. Abby, can you say...
Mama.
Mama. That's a good one. What else can you say?
Ma.
A mat. That's a cat. You're trying to say meow. That's Smacky Cat, isn't it? Meow. Coke. Okay. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye. Can you say it?
Bye-bye.
Okay.